Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It processes everything you eat, drink, and breathe. It filters toxins, produces bile for digestion, regulates hormones, and even stores nutrients. But when your liver becomes overwhelmed or toxic, it can no longer perform these essential tasks efficiently. This can lead to subtle, strange, and sometimes alarming signs throughout your body. In today's video, we'll explore 12 unusual signs of liver toxicity that often go unnoticed, how you can test for liver damage, ways to reverse liver issues naturally, and simple detoxification tips for better health. Stay with us as we uncover this vital information for your health and well-being. Number 1. 12 strange signs your liver is toxic. 1. Persistent fatigue. If you find yourself constantly exhausted even after a good night's sleep, your liver might be to blame. A toxic liver forces your body to work harder to remove waste, draining your energy reserves. This fatigue often feels like a deep, unrelenting tiredness that even coffee can't fix. 2. Yellowing skin or eyes, jaundice. One of the most recognizable signs of liver problems is jaundice, a yellowing of the skin or eyes. This occurs when your liver can't process bilirubin, a byproduct of red blood cell breakdown, causing it to build up in your bloodstream. 3. Dark urine and pale stools. Changes in urine or stool color can indicate liver dysfunction. Dark urine suggests excess bilirubin, while pale stools may signal bile flow issues. These are clear signs that your liver needs attention. 4. Unexplained weight gain. When your liver is overwhelmed, it can't metabolize fat effectively. This can lead to fat storage in unusual areas, causing weight gain even when your diet and exercise routine haven't changed. 5. Skin issues. Your skin is often a reflection of your internal health. A toxic liver can cause persistent itchiness, rashes, or breakouts due to toxin buildup in the blood. These skin issues may not respond to typical treatments. 6. Frequent nausea or vomiting. Nausea and vomiting, especially without a clear cause like food poisoning, could be linked to liver toxicity. A damaged liver affects your digestion, leading to these unpleasant symptoms. 7. Brain fog and memory problems. Difficulty concentrating or frequent memory lapses could be related to a toxic liver. When the liver can't remove toxins effectively, substances like ammonia can build up and affect brain function. 8. Swollen abdomen, ascites. A bloated or swollen abdomen could indicate fluid retention caused by liver issues. This condition, known as ascites, is often a sign of advanced liver dysfunction and should be addressed immediately. 9. Easy bruising or bleeding. Your liver produces proteins that help with blood clotting. When it's not functioning properly, you may notice that you bruise or bleed more easily than usual. 10. Bad breath, fetor hepaticus. Bad breath despite excellent oral hygiene can be a sign of liver toxicity. Fetor hepaticus occurs when the liver fails to filter sulfur compounds, leading to a distinct odor. 11. Hormonal imbalances. Your liver helps regulate hormones. When it's toxic, it can't break down excess hormones effectively, leading to issues like mood swings, irregular periods, or unexplained weight changes. 12. Pain in the upper right abdomen. Pain or discomfort in the upper right abdomen, where your liver is located, often indicates liver inflammation or swelling. This pain can range from mild to sharp and is a warning sign that something isn't right. Number 2. How to test for liver damage. 1. Blood tests. Simple blood tests like ALT, AST, and bilirubin levels can provide a snapshot of your liver's health. Elevated levels may indicate inflammation or damage, and they're often the first step in diagnosing liver issues. 2. Imaging tests. Ultrasounds, CT scans, and MRIs can detect abnormalities such as scarring, fatty deposits, or tumors in the liver. These imaging tests are non-invasive and provide valuable insights into the liver's condition. 3. Liver biopsy. In severe cases, a liver biopsy may be performed to assess the extent of damage. While it sounds intimidating, it's a critical tool for diagnosing serious liver conditions. Number 3. How to reverse liver damage. 1. Embrace a liver-friendly diet. Your diet plays a crucial role in liver health. Focus on foods that support liver detoxification, like leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula help cleanse the liver by neutralizing harmful toxins. Garlic. It's rich in sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which fights inflammation and supports liver regeneration. Beetroot. A natural blood purifier that reduces oxidative stress in the liver. Avoid processed foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats. These can lead to fatty liver disease, even if you don't drink. Switch to whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Even a small reduction in body weight can significantly improve liver function, especially if you're dealing with fatty liver disease. Regular exercise helps burn fat stored in the liver. 3. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush toxins from your body. Add a splash of lemon or cucumber for an extra detox boost. 4. Consider supplements. Sometimes, food alone isn't enough. Certain supplements can accelerate liver repair. Milk thistle. Known as a liver superhero, it contains silymarin, which helps regenerate damaged liver cells. N-acetylcysteine, NAC. This supplement boosts glutathione, your liver's most powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps reduce inflammation in the liver. But remember, always consult a doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have an existing condition. Number 4. Natural detoxification tips. 1. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting gives your liver a break from constant digestion. This downtime allows the liver to focus on breaking down stored fats and toxins. Consult a healthcare professional to find a fasting schedule that works for you. 2. Herbal teas. Herbal teas like dandelion root and milk thistle have been used for centuries to support liver function. Dandelion promotes bile production and aids digestion, while milk thistle contains silymarin, a compound that protects liver cells from toxins and inflammation. A cup a day can make a big difference. 3. Cut out alcohol and reduce toxins. Alcohol is one of the liver's biggest enemies. Over time, excessive drinking can lead to fatty liver disease and scarring. Limit alcohol intake and minimize exposure to toxins like cigarette smoke and harsh chemicals. 4. Incorporate physical activity. Physical activity improves blood circulation and helps your liver metabolize fats. Activities like walking, jogging, or yoga stimulate detoxification processes. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 times a week. 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress releases hormones like cortisol, which can negatively impact liver health. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness. A calm mind supports a healthy liver. 7. Prevention is key. Preventing liver toxicity is always better than treating it. Regular checkups, a balanced diet, and an active lifestyle can keep your liver functioning optimally. Avoid environmental toxins whenever possible, and don't ignore the subtle signs your body is sending. Your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy, but it needs your support. By recognizing these 12 strange signs of liver toxicity and taking proactive steps to improve liver health, you can lead a healthier, more vibrant life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Health.